nathi ligijimela emthethweni likhanza Mswati umile ngale unemashezi kutotona leti ngaphandle. Leaders iswalimo lekucelako namuhla ithi we might differ in the color of our regalia, we might differ in political ideology, we might differ on strategies and tactics, but lo mzabalazo lesulwa kumunye. Before singubutane singama political parties, we must remember about the cadres labahlete ejele, we must remember about the cadres labasezinsweni. Lo mzabalazo ushiwo ngathi lo mzabalazo ngeMswati kunabantu nalabanye ukuthi banganyenyela iparty kwenza Mswati sitha because bavungathi le party hlukile ideology yabo. Leaders, if we want to liberate this country, if we want to liberate Mswati, we must forget about our differences and talk about one enemy that we have. Our enemy is Mswati. We are not enemies among ourselves. We simelele Mswati. Ufuna sikhulume iqiniso. Nasimele Mswati asibeke neMswati embili. Singabeki ego nepride. Singabeki ukuthi bani ngicela kanganani. Umzabazo Mswati musha ude lokwaphila kulomunye eqala. Siphila kokuqala kulomzabalazo lo. Lo wathi lokungona akakwenza. Lo wathi lokungona akakusho. Lo wathi lokungona akabhethe sikhulume Mswati. Nangabe leaders, it is not about ukufakela lomunye phansi ukuthi yena ubona ukuthi uyawenza kanjani. Asakholane siphile. We are Swazis who want to liberate our nation. If we do this like this, bomthandeni nabocede batawubhadle bafele ejele. Nabasedingisweni bawuhlala ngaphandle. Uthi benebuhlungu nje ufunza impilo lensha velelini. Swazis, we have us to liberate us. We are related. So this is time for us to unite. Forget our differences. Respect each other. Amanda! Amanda!